Good day, it is Stephen Davis here. In this video, I just want to explain to you the egg method of multiplication that the kids use at school. And this is, I want to use an example, a 3-digit number multiplied by another 3-digit number. And the reason why I do this is because I don't find any other videos that are quite reasonable and good on the subject. And we do it in South Africa. In South Africa, the egg method is just a nicer way of simply saying the long method of multiplication that we used as parents and as grandparents in the olden days. The only thing is that they add here a 0 and then they call it a lovely egg by the wonderful name of egg. Just like you can get any egg sandwich on the oven, you call it a French name and it sounds wonderful and great. I use this example here. I'll first do the first unit, the multiplication of the unit. This is as it is usually done. 4 times 5 is 20. And then, of course, you just usually carry it over. 220. And 4 times 9 gives you 36. Plus that 2 gives you 38. And then just put it there for the meantime. 4 times 1 gives you 4, plus the 3 gives you 7. Now the egg method is when you use the tenths. In the olden days we didn't do anything here. All you do is you add a 0 here. They call it the wonderful name of the egg. Simply because any number that you multiply by 10, you just add a 0. And this is strictly speaking the tenths. This is a 6 of the 10th. So therefore, because it's the 10th unit you use here, not the 10th unit, the 10th place number, therefore you just add a 0 because this is actually 60 plus 4, and therefore you add the 0 there, the egg. So 6 times 5 is 30. You carry it over the 3, and 6 times 9 gives you 54, plus that 3 gives you then 57. You know 5 there. 6 times 1 gives you 6, plus a 5 gives you 11. Gives you 11. Follow the egg and complete the line of the egg here. Okay? Here you have then if you have this is the 200th digit, the 100th digit, and this is 2. Any number that you multiply by 2, you add 2 zeros. It must not be confused with this. They call it the egg. This is the 0, the eggs. This is another 0 because of the 6 times 5 is 30. So that's not necessarily the egg there. So 2 times 5 gives you 10, carry it over. 2 times 9 gives you 18, plus that 1 gives you 19, carry the 1 over. 2 times 1 gives you 2, plus 1 gives you 3. Always complete the egg here, all the numbers. Don't put anything on top. Draw your line, and when you now add it, then you just add, then whatever you add, here on top, you add also the carry over whatever you have, carry over number. So this is 0, this is 8, 7 plus 7 gives you 14, carry it over, and then you see if you carry it over, then there's enough space for you and things doesn't become congested. Keep your numbers well separated. So then it is 2 plus 9 gives you 11, carry it over the 1, and then it is 1, 2 plus 3 gives you 5, and then also the comma or the space for the thousand separator. So in a nutshell, just to summarize, the essence of the egg multiplication method is the same as we used, and we call it the long method of multiplication. The zeros here are just simply because you work here with a 10th digit, have a egg 0, and add the zeros here because you work with a 10, add 1, equals 100, you get 2 zeros and whatever. Thank you very much for watching this video. We'll have for comments and criticism. Please like and share this video and please subscribe.